carrying something for a nest.
Nest, I think.
Nesting?
I think so.
I cannot imagine being one of the workers up on that thing. I'm not afraid of heights, but I'm sorry, that's scary. That's...
history with your own hands, because that's not going anywhere anytime. So there must be great pride.
Yeah, I can almost guarantee that they have video cameras that they're videotaping it, and they will probably show like a Modern Marvels type show with the time lapse, and that'll be awesome.
Yeah.
That'll be awesome. See, Modern Marvels is one of my favorite shows. I watch that all the time. It's cool. But I hope that one of the different channels picks this up and does a show on it.